$500 for Hey Alani. Boom. Would you like more money?
Can I have
Okay, yes ma'am, you can, but you're gonna have to earn it. Okay, we're gonna play a little game involving sounds.
Okay.
So I have 3 cards. Jonathan?
Oh, hello, Jonathan.
Hello. It's yours. Tiffany?
Yes.
Hi, Tiffany.
Hi.
This is yours.
Okay.
And I have the first one. We're each going to make the noise of whatever is on this card. It's a person, place, thing, or animal. Your job is to guess. So we're really going to try to do good noises for you. Each time you're correct, we'll give you $500. But it's only one guess per noise. Okay? So let's put the blindfold on.
All right. Let's see if I can help you. We hold this.
I'm ready. Ready to be blind. By the way, hello, Cat Gray. I wanted to say hello to you, and I'm so sorry I didn't.
Hey, Cat Gray.
He said hi.
He speaks through the music, and the music speaks through him. All right, so number 1. This is the first one. Okay, everyone seen it? All right, here we go. All right. Game over. Hey, Alani, what's your guess?
My Wayne Brady sounds like a bumblebee.
No, higher Wayne Brady. It was a bug zapper. A bug zapper. Okay. So, Jonathan, you're up to bat. Okay. Okay, take a second before you guess. Really think about it, because whatever you guess, that's your guess. Hit it.
My friend Jonathan sounds like a dropped call.
Oh no! It was dial-up internet.
How old do you think I am?
Tiffany Coin,
Okay.
bring us home.
Let's redeem her. I think you got this one.
One last chance.
Oh, there you are. All right, you ready?
So emotive. Okay, take a second, really think about that. For $500, what is it?
My friend Tiffany sounds like an owl.
Yes! Yes! Take off the blindfold. Thank you, sir. Yes, nice job, hey, Alani.
Thank you, everyone.
Now, oh no, you're not finished yet.